All right, guys, so we're gonna go ahead and replace the blower, the AC blower motor. And I've seen some videos where these guys start off with taking off this piece here. It's like a clip right here, a clip right here, and a clip right there. But I mean, it's like a pop off. Yep, yeah, it's just a pop off. So you just pop, okay, and then there goes that. So this comes out, and then disconnect this so you don't disconnect that line for your light. I'll take that off real quick. So the blower motor has it says 1, 2, 3 screws. Let's check it out here. I found it's gonna be this one here. Let me take it out. Oh, all right. Disconnect the line. There we go. All right, she is out. So here's the old one. I mean, it still spins pretty fine. It's all good though. We'll put this new one in. Back in. Oh man, I dropped a screw here. That's all right though. Let me do another one here. Hold it in place. Oh, I dropped the bit here. All right, and the other screw, which is right here. I found it. Oh yeah, it's a little bit difficult with the cramped spot, but you know, once you find you're comfortable. Once you find a little comfortable spot, you should be good to go. And then connect this together and you're good to go. And that's it. I wonder if these lines have anything to do. I've been having a lot of AC problems lately. The AC relay. Yeah, but I mean, it would, I don't think, let me see. No, yeah, it wouldn't. I don't know. I don't think it, I definitely got to figure out this rat problem though. But that'll be for another video. All right, well, that's that. All right, guys, so like and subscribe, comment what you want to see next, help out the channel. Peace.